Hello everyone, I am Sushila Tipshetty and I'll be teaching Business Statistics 1 for BCom 3rd semester students. So this is for the students who have not studied statistics at their PUC 1 and 2. So today in this video I'll be dealing with the objective and the syllabus. So this paper is for 100 marks, 80 marks is for the semester end examinations and 20 marks is for the internals. Objective: to train the students of commerce to become familiar with the elementary tools of statistics which are used in the analysis of a collected data. Here, analysis of collected data means having a data you have to get some meaningful and necessary results or interpretations. And to achieve this, we use some tools of statistics. There are many examples where you use statistics, such as you are interested in knowing the yearly sales of a product or yearly profit of a company or monthly income of a worker, etc. In all these cases, you use some tools of statistics to get the necessary results. Okay, here I have one interesting example where statistics is used. I think most of you guys are enjoying the IPL season in this pandemic. Okay, just go to Google and type IPL 2020 and there you can see a column called stats. So here the data is IPL 2020 and we have information like number of teams, number of matches played, or number of runs or boundaries scored by a player, or number of wickets taken by a bowler, etc. And now here we use some tools of statistics to get the results, such as what is the average run rate of a batsman or bowling average or economy rate, etc. So now let's move to the syllabus. So in total there are 5 units. After completion of each unit, I will be telling you about the distribution of marks in that unit. So unit 1 is introduction. Here you have meaning and definition of statistics, functions and limitation of statistics, some basic concepts such as population, sample, variable, attribute, nominal and ordinal scale, primary and secondary data, census and sampling methods. Method of sampling: here you have simple random sampling, stratified sampling and systematic sampling with merits and demerits. So the second unit is diagrams and graphical representation. Here you have meaning, needs, general rules of construction. In diagrams you have simple bar diagram, component diagram, multiple bar diagram, percentage and pie chart. In graphs you have histogram, frequency polygon, frequency curve and ogive curve. The unit 3 is univariate data analysis. So here you have definition of partition values, quartiles, deciles and percentiles with graphical location of partition values and examples, concept of dispersion, absolute and relative measure of range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation, coefficient of variation, definition of skewness, measures of skewness, Karl Pearson and Bowley's coefficient of skewness, example based on theory. So unit 4 is probability and expectation. Here you have introduction, definitions, deterministic experiment, basic terms such as random experiment, sample space, event, null event, complementary events, exhaustive event, equally likely and mutually exclusive events and independent events. You have meaning and definitions of classical, empirical and axiomatic approaches, meaning and definition of random variables, types, that is discrete and continuous random variables, mathematical expectation and mean variance of a random variables, properties of random variables such as what is expectation of A of x, expectation of A of x plus B, variance of A of x and variance of A of x plus B, addition and multiplication theorem with example based on the theory. And the last unit is time series analysis. So here you have meaning and definition of time series, its uses, components of time series, calculation of trend values, method of moving averages, method of least squares with example based on theory. So some of the references are Business Statistics by Professor Raj Mohan, Business Statistics by S.C. Gupta, Business Statistics by S.P. Gupta, Business Statistics by J.K. Sharma. So you can refer these textbooks. Thank you.